Because when he arranges the 9 books, he needs to keep the Arabic books together and the Spanish books together. So we can view the 2 Arabic books as one item, and then the 4 Spanish books as one item. So there are, plus the 3 German books, there are 5 different items to arrange. That's 5 factorial. And then for each arrangement, we can arrange the 2 Arabic books. That's 2 factorial. And then we can also, for each of the choices, we can arrange the 4 Spanish books. That's 4 factorial. So it's their multiplication. And that equals 5760. Because Ella rides 5 times as fast as Bella walks, therefore for the total distance, 10,560 feet, we multiply Bella's 1 portion out of their total portion. That's Ella's 5 plus 1 of Bella's portion. And we get the total distance Bella walks. And then we divide that by 2.5 feet per step. Then we'll get the total steps. That's 10,560 divide 6 divide 2.5, and we calculate that equals 704 steps. To calculate how many positive factors the number has, we need to calculate its prime factors first. So let's do that. It's 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and we divide 2, and that equals 11616, and divide 2 again. We get 5808. Divide 2 again. We get 2904. Divide 2 again, we get 1452. Divide 2, we get 726. Divide 2, we get 363. And then we can 363, we can divide 3, we get 121, and we divide 11, we get 11. Therefore, this number 23232 equals 2 to the power of 6 multiply 3 multiply 11 square. Now we can choose any of these numbers and combine them to get a factor of this number. So how many choices are there? For 2 to the power of 6, we already have 6 choices of 2 we can choose from. And then number 1 is also a choice, which means we don't choose any of the 2s. Similarly, for 3, we will have 1 of 3 plus 1 multiply. For 11, we have 2 choices of 11 multiply 1 plus 1. And we multiply them together, we get 7 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 equals 42 total choices. Problem 19. The characteristic of this problem is that for every sign we can have 2 choices to get that sign. That means if we have a plus sign, then it can be either plus, plus, or minus, minus on the lower level. And if we get a minus sign, then we can get minus, plus, or minus on the lower level. So for the first one to be a plus, the first layer we have plus, then the second layer we will have 2 choices here. And the third layer, for each sign on the second layer, we will again have two choices. And similarly, the fourth layer, we will also have choices for each sign in the third layer. So that's total 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. Let's draw the height from C to the bottom of the triangle. And let's assume that's H. And again also D from point D to AB. And the height of ADE is H1. And the height of EFB is H2. And to calculate the area of CDEF, we can use triangle ABC to subtract the area of triangle ADE and triangle EFB. So triangle ABC, its area equals 1/2 AB multiply H. And triangle ADE, its area equals 1/2 AE multiply H1. Now we already know that AE is 1/3 of AB. And because DE is parallel to CB, therefore H1 will be 1/3 of H. That means the area equals 1/9 of the area of the triangle ABC. Similarly, we can get that the area of triangle EFB equals 1/2 BE multiply H2, and that's 1/2 2/3 of AB multiply 2/3 of H. It equals 4/9, the area of triangle ABC. Therefore, the area of CDEF equals triangle ABC subtract ADE, which is 1/9 of ABC, and subtract EFB, which is 4/9 of ABC. So that equals 4/9, the area of triangle ABC. So the answer is A.